guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media will be somewhere here if you'd like to follow. Come through. We're very girl here. At least me. I'm very girl here. So, hi. So today we'll be doing another unboxing, and it is a big product, girl. We are unboxing the newest Apple Watch today. She's right here. Oh my god. Everyone in my life has gotten an Apple Watch. One of my besties is always like, oh my god, my rings are closing. Don't know what that means. But then he's always just like, my heart rate's up. It's telling me to breathe. Yeah, and he's always like, got my steps in today. We're gonna unbox this. I'm gonna show you everything it comes in. But first is a warning. I am not a tech expert. I like to preface my videos saying that because a lot of people expect a lot from me, and I am just posting this video as your average consumer for Apple products. Bear that in mind as you watch this video because it will be very evident. Okay, so got the Apple Watch. It comes in this packaging. I don't know why you're literally like unable to even see what this says, because it's like, why do they do that? But okay, fine. It already comes with a wristband for it, but we got another one, a fancier one, if you will. We got a pink one, of course. So I will be also opening this one. Let's open this up. I will put the price right here. This is the price for the Apple Watch. So it opens like this. Oh, this is such a cute little design. I like this. Look at how cute of a design this is. It comes with two packages. This is, I'm assuming, is the straps. This is the straps. And then this is the Apple Watch itself. Is the packaging it comes in. She's sleek. This is exactly how it comes in. There's this right here, and then here is the Apple Watch itself and all of its components right next to it. Little piece of paper, and it says, 1, open your band box and then follow the steps to attach your band to Apple Watch, and then put on your Apple Watch, press and hold the side button, install the latest version of iOS. And then it gives you all the controls of all of the buttons. Let's get into it. Okay, so it comes with one of these little chargers, and it comes with, ooh, why is it like this? Do you see this? Yeah, I guess this is just the charger. Ooh, hello. I'm excited. So this is the charger. It's just this little thing, and you just connect it like that. That's so cool. I'm gonna take off this little. Oh, it goes around. Wow. Okay, so that's the charger. And then here itself is the Apple Watch in its little sleeve. Okay. This is it. And it has this little thing in the back. One button, and it has like a turning button. So how do we turn it on? Oh, okay, it's turning on. We got her to turn on. Good. So this is the one that it already comes in. It always comes with white. So it's a sport band stainless steel. There's just so much packaging in all of this. This is how that comes. Let's remove this. Oh, it comes with a small, medium, and then a medium large. You see that? It says it right here. Small, medium, and a medium large. And these are them. They're just really, they feel so nice. They're just like easy peasy, and they should be because they're gonna be on your wrist all the time. They're just a nice little clean white. Ooh, what's happening? I clicked something and now it's going green, and it's telling me to be still and bring your attention to your breath. Messed up. Okay, we got one on. That was a little hard, but it's fine. But here it is with this strap. Here it is. I'm gonna roll up my sleeve. Here it is on me. So this is like an angle. So this is how you would see it on. So this is how you button it. It goes like straight like this, and inside the extra strap goes inside, so it's not like annoyingly there. And this is like really comfortable. It's like very comfortable. Wow, okay, yay. That was one of my biggest concerns. And it gives you your heart rate and tells you to breathe and gives you the weather, calendar, and you could take phone calls on here. and it also gives you stopwatch, and you could obviously check your messages and you could type out what you need to type out on it. And you have a couple apps, and it'll tell you how many steps you took. You have a walkie-talkie? What even is that? That's so funny. You have like music, and you have your emails, and you have everything just literally right here. Like, if this isn't the future, I don't know. But we're not done. We still have the cute little pink one open, so let's get that in. It's so funny that this is how like you accessorize for your Apple Watch. Like, this is hilarious. This one is more like a leathery one, so it's like nicer and fancier. So here it is, and this is the pink one that we got. So it's like, if you can't see, it's like kind of leathery, and it has like this little belt buckle, and yeah, it is super fancy. And look at this little side. Oh my god, this is so fancy. It's so cute. It actually says natural leather on it, so that is insane. Yeah, this is the fancier one, but this is like a good casual. I love the white, super clean, super nice. And yeah, wow, okay. It's actually so comfortable. Like, I thought it would be bulkier than it is. It's actually really sleek. Tells me the weather every day. Wow, it's just so much in such a good way. Obviously I'm gonna have to play around with this a little bit more, but if you want a review video, comment that down below, and I hope you enjoy this video. There's so much packaging just on my bed. Yeah. So this is exactly what it comes in. I'm like really happy about the material of this. It is so nice and smooth and great. And I love that it tucks inside so that the ends of this isn't like messing you up. I love it. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and make sure to like and comment and all that jazz. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye! Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and right now I have just foundation on, full coverage, because we're going to try to follow a Nikki Tutorials makeup tutorial. I love makeup, but I definitely don't consider myself a makeup artist or like even that good at makeup. Like, I know how to do one look. Like, I got one look and I do that all the time. I'm like actually terrified, so we're about to see what she does. And I'm using her most recent like holiday makeup transformation video so we could have a little holiday spirit. So scared because Nikki is such a queen with eye looks, and I am like not that good with eyeshadow, so this is gonna be a real struggle, guys. Also, please make sure to subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. And if you want more makeup videos, comment down below, because I don't really do them that much because like I don't know if people like them, and I'm insecure, so hi. But yeah, alright, let's just get into this. We already have foundation on, so that's part we're skipping of Nikki's. Also, I definitely won't have like every product she has because I am broke, so forgive me.
For concealer, of course, I'm using the Jouer Essential High Coverage